How to log in Capital One online banking. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this video. Launch a preferred browser and search for Capital One in the search bar. You will see some of the suggestions for the login portal of Capital One. You can tap on either, just make sure it is from legit site. When you tap on Capital One, credit cards, checking, savings, and more, you'll be redirected to its official homepage. To log in into your Capital One online banking account, it is pretty simple. At the very top, you will see a login portal where you can easily enter your username and your password. Then tap on Sign In button. If not at the top of your dashboard, select on Sign In. Then it will redirect you to your login portal. Wait until the page loads up. In here, you need to enter your username and your password. If you are using your personal device, just tap on Remember Me button and tap on Sign In. In the case of forgotten credential, you can tap on Forgot Username or Password at the bottom. In that case, it will redirect you to a new page where you can recover your account easily. To recover your account, firstly, you need to input your last name, your social security number, and your DOB. Once you are verified by tapping on Find Me, you'll be able to recover your account. If you need further assistance, tap on the Need Help, Let's Chat option. This is when an agent will pop up and you can chat with it discussing for your problem and also a solution. That has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.